Welcome back to the Aspire TechSoft. Today, we are diving into a super interesting topic, data engineering. Programming languages like Python, Java, and SQL to build those pipelines. They work with databases, cloud platforms like AWS or Google Cloud, and tools like Apache Spark or Hadoop to handle and process massive amounts of data. And yes, sometimes they even build the infrastructure needed to support all that data. Now, you might be wondering, how is this different from a data scientist? Well, while data scientists analyze data and build models to make predictions, data engineers make sure that the data scientists have clean, structured data to work with. Without data engineers, data scientists would be stuck trying to clean data instead of analyzing it. Let me give you an example. Let's say a company wants to analyze customer behavior on their website. A data engineer might create a system to collect data from the site, clean it up by removing duplicates or errors, and then load it into a database. Once it's there, data scientists can start analyzing it and creating insights like which products are most popular or how to improve the customer experience. So, what tools and skills do data engineers need? Well, they need to be experts in databases, SQL, data warehousing, cloud computing, and data pipeline tools like Apache Kafka and Airflow. It's a technical job, but it's also incredibly rewarding because you're playing a key role in shaping how companies use data to make decisions. To sum it up, data engineering is the backbone of any data-driven company. Without data engineers, all the fancy data science models wouldn't be possible. They make sure that data is accessible, reliable, and ready for analysis. If you're thinking about pursuing a career in data engineering, it is definitely a field to explore. It's in high demand and crucial for every industry today. Thanks for watching, and if you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like, the bell icon.